Hey, yo, what's up, Santiago? What's up? Okay. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. All right. Alrighty then. All right. Let's see what we can get here. Let's see. So we definitely had a big market move to the upside. Now we'll see what we get here. Today's Friday, so I'm gonna keep that in mind. Mm. All right, so if the market comes back down here, this is where I'm going to choose to participate. So let's see if the market actually comes down. We're trading in this range. We still have about a few minutes until the initial, not the initial balance, but the opening range is formed. So man, come on, Silver. Oh my God. Silver, come on. Dude, no fucking way, bro. No way. No. Oh, no. No way. Oh my God. No way. Oh my God. Oh man. No. No, 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 no. Oh my. Silver, you bitch. You bitch. No. Man, come on, Silver. Oh my God. Silver. I don't recall that. I don't. Is that AI? That was AI. I don't recall that. Oh, that's hilarious, dude. Silver made me some good money this morning. Silver made me some good money this morning. I would have to accept that. And in the environment that I grew up, that was a reality. So I never had a fear. Interesting. 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 Yeah, Silver missed my my limit order there, and then pushes higher. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hmm. 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 But yeah, me and Silver are back together. I think I'm gonna make an honest woman out of Silver, though. I'm gonna make an honest woman out of Silver. Yeah, I mean, I will have to admit, he's a pusher, a chart pusher. If Smith never told me he traded the NQ, I mean, eventually I would have went on NQ eventually, but I had to give it to Silver. Not once have I considered trading Silver. I didn't know. I wasn't familiar with Silver in her game. I wasn't familiar with it. Yeah. It looks like I could have nah. I mean, this is a good move, but not the trade that I want. I'll defeat ES. I mean, at the time, gold was she was young, she was vibrant. When her run up to 5400 was a sight to see. It was a sight to see. Shit, man. Mm. Mm. She was a sight to see.
Silver, you bitch! You bitch!
64.99.
Man, come on, Silver. Oh my god. Silver, come on. Dude, no fucking way.
I mean, I'll be trading against the trend, but
No. No way. Oh my god. No way.
I mean that is a.
Oh my god.
Mm.
No. Silver, you bitch! You bitch! Man, come on, Silver! Oh my god! Silver, come on!
Yeah. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred.
No way! No! No! No way! Oh my god! No way! Oh my god!
Oh shit, I forgot. Oh man, I forgot. Yeah. Oh shit, is this thing still playing? My bad, guys. My bad, I didn't know this thing was still playing. I mean, you guys could probably hear it. My bad. Mhm. Oh, those are sweeps. I was about to say, like, what the hell are those? I don't care about the sweeps. 'Cause they really don't do anything. I mean, they're just clutter on the chart. Yeah, so I'm just gonna remove it. Just clutter on the chart. All I care about is the MBO data and the icebergs. I don't care about who's getting stopped out. Or, well, I guess if I'm looking at the sweeps at the highs, I guess. If I'm looking at the sweeps at the highs, it don't matter. I mean, it's not like I'm trading that way anyway. Looks like we're gonna have to. Yeah, I think the hurrah was this morning. Yeah. I need to make sure that I pay attention to these 15-minute imbalances. So what I've seen so far is that on every chart, if there is a 15-minute imbalance in the way, you have to give whichever side it's on some attention, because even if we don't see a full-fledged reversal, 9 times out of 10, we're going to see a rejection from that area. Or we're going to see a reaction from that area is probably what I should say. And that's how I was going to say it. We're going to see a reaction from that area. These 15-minute imbalances, they are the truth. And you can just go back and look at it for yourself. Like, we'll get pushes from any imbalance, but it seems like the 15-minute imbalance is the imbalance above all. It is above all on any chart. Let's see what happened when the market came to this 15-minute imbalance here. I'm interested. See if my theory is correct. Look at that. See what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? That was literally the high right there. Wow. That was literally the high. That 15-minute imbalance on this side of the chart, it traded right past a 1-hour imbalance to tap into that 15-minute imbalance right there. And that was the high of the NFP move. That was the high of the NFP move. So 76. Is this a 10-point move? It sure is not. Almost a 10-point move. Well, it's more than a 10-point move. I got to take that back because my entry wasn't 10 points. But I should have probably got in right there. You know what? Let me just take like a right. I think we chopped today, man. Or actually, you know what? I'll take that back. I'll take that back. Yeah, because you know what, Santiago? I saw that this morning, and the market reacted at your 50 from, I think, a day ago. We're trading back inside of, what is that? Today's Friday, Wednesday's range. So we're trading inside of the daily candle of Wednesday right now. We traded right back inside of it. So the ES made all-time highs. It made a lower candle. And the market is now trading back within Wednesday's daily range. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we go all the way up to 802 and reject. Maybe. Oh, this is on ES. Yeah. Yeah, it hit your 50 from like Wednesday or something like. Or if it was yesterday, you drew out a 50 and it hit like 75. You said 75 was the 50 that you was looking at. It tapped it, but it ran all the way to 79 and then it dropped. So, but it dropped about, if you got in at the 75, it was only 5 points in drawdown. I'm sorry, not 5, 4 points in drawdown, but you caught almost a 20-point drop on the ES. So okay. All right. So we got, dang, it's only, damn. We're still only in the first 30 minutes of the market open. Wow. Oh, wow. We're still only in the first 30 minutes of the market open here. Oh, it doesn't matter. That's not where I trade at. Yeah, that does look like a good spot too. You said your fib level strategy? So which leg did you anchor off of? Did you anchor off of today's price action? Did you anchor from a previous day's price action? Yeah, I mean, yeah. If you're trading to make money, let's just say it that way. If you're trading to make money, trading 10 to 30 minutes a day is definitely the goal. If you're trading to make money. If you're trading for entertainment purposes, 10 to 30 minutes is not going to cut it. If you're trading for entertainment purposes. And I think the biggest breakthrough, the biggest obstacle that I overcame in my journey is realizing the difference between the two: trading for money and trading for entertainment. When I'm on stream with you guys, I'm trading mostly for entertainment because this is all for entertainment purposes. None of this is financial advice. The trades I take are not guaranteed to work, therefore entertainment. It doesn't mean that I'm not taking good trades, but they are for entertainment. I'm taking more than one trade. I'm putting on more risk than maybe I should, but when I'm trading for money, I take one trade a day. I have accounts that I just only take one trade a day, and I know that if I follow that rule, I'll have this account for at least 9 days, because that's the max amount of time that I want to be in one account. If I'm having trouble with that account, or if I'm having trouble with a certain type of price action, 9 days is the most that I'll give an account. And if it's gone, I didn't waste a whole lot of time on the account. Just take my one trade a day. Oh, you think so? You know what? Hmm. If Tradeify had micro silver, I would trade micro silver on Tradeify. You know, honestly, I might. Let me look at the Lucid Direct, or not the Lucid Direct accounts, but, or yeah, I guess they call it Lucid Direct. Let me look at their accounts, because I'm going with Tradeify. Oh, actually, yeah, never mind. That's the reason, because at least with Tradeify, they give you extra drawdown. That's the reason why I chose them. I was like, why am I choosing? Why am I trading with Tradeify for? They give you extra drawdown. Yeah, and I'm going to get the direct account, the end of day account, and I'm gonna trade micro silver with those. I trade the. I feel like, so if I get the daily payout accounts, hold on, what the fuck? Yeah, and for whatever reason, it's more expensive. Okay, that's why I chose Tradeify. Their accounts are more expensive than Lucid. Lucid is more expensive, but they only give you. That's interesting. Dude, it's all right. So looks like we're selling off now. Everybody except the ES. The ES is taking its sweet time. All right. Yeah, I should have saw that. I should have. Okay, I should have saw that. Should have saw that. You know, I mean, you gotta see stuff like that. Mm. Should we almost took out that pre-market low too, Alfred. I still think we do it. I mean, everybody is they say everybody is selling off except for ES. ES is kind of holding everybody up. Yeah, so if you took the rejection, hold on, didn't I take a short here? Or I did it on the Nasdaq. I did on the ES. Didn't I take a short there? Okay. I stopped myself out because I thought it was gonna go higher, but well, I guess I have to trade what I see and not what I think. There was a 15-minute imbalance there. The market reacted bearishly to that 15-minute imbalance, but I thought that the market was gonna go higher, and okay. All right, right now I'm starting now. Starting now. Lucid daily accounts. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, I look at, well, you know, honestly, when I trade the Nasdaq, I look at ES books map, the book map on ES. I don't trust Nasdaq. I don't trust it. If ES going up, Nasdaq going up. If it's not already going up. Yep. Just call me the weekend. Just call me the weekend. Trust issues. I mean, it goes right along with my personality. I don't like liars, and I have trust issues. It goes right along with my personality. Yeah, what the fuck? And I'm not saying that, well, here's the thing. I guess let me be more clear. I have trust issues with people that show themselves, or things that show themselves to be dishonest. And Nasdaq is the queen of manipulation and lying and misleading. And normally, if Nasdaq was a person, I wouldn't even deal with her. I wouldn't deal with someone like the Nasdaq in reality. But because it's my job to deal with her, I have to. So because I don't trust her, everybody gets one chance to be dishonest with me, and then the cutoff happens right then and there. But Nasdaq is a part of my job, so I have trust issues with her. I have to be able to see through her lies. So yeah, I have trust issues with her, but I don't have these issues in real life. Like I said, I don't deal with people that choose to lie for no damn reason or give misleading information. Because I mean, at the grand scheme of things, what's the point of lying? You know, like what's the point of being manipulative and misleading? Because at the end of the day, you get what you want in the moment, but you burn so many bridges. You don't get the reward of accomplishment because you had to lie, cheat, and steal to get where you're at. And to justify your actions, you have to continue to do so. And you have to blind yourself from the fact that you'll always be a loser. You'll never know what it feels to be a winner because you had to cheat to win. That's why they say cheaters never win. And like I said, it's really no point to do none of that. So I choose not to deal with people that think that way, or I don't like it. But I have to deal with this crazy biatch called the Nasdaq and gold. But you know, the crazy thing is the contradiction to everything I just said. The ES doesn't necessarily lie, and yet I just hate trading her. I mean, if the ES was just a little bit faster, if the ES is just a little bit faster, I mean, it's gotten better, but it's still not. I'm used to Nasdaq speed, so anything slower than the Nasdaq just feels slow to me. But well, you know, I don't get in like that. These aren't my types of trades. I like extremes. If I'm not in here, it's highly unlikely that I get in here, because for whatever reason, these types of trades, I always find myself choosing the wrong ones. And I'm not like you, Alfred, where you're comfortable getting in and out of trades if it doesn't go in your direction. I stubbornly hold all my trades. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, what's up, bro?
Are y'all good? Why you sound all defeated?
Cause I'm missing all this money.
I caught this pump, but I should have been in at 570. I hate Kraken. The platform is so lame.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because it's so slow. It's not optimized for futures at all.
Oh yeah.
So instead of me getting in at 570, which would have been like nearly perfect, I'm in at 596.
Man, this thing better not pump after stopping me out. Yatch.
Nah,
But yeah.
Pumping, baby.
Oh, my bad. You see what I'm talking about, Alfred? If you didn't get out of that, well, you said you locked up all your accounts today, but and this is what I'm talking about right here. This is why I don't take these types of trades, because the Nasdaq will do that to you. No, I didn't take it, Santiago. And you know what's crazy? I didn't even notice it. I didn't notice it. So I think what I need to do is change this color. There's something that's going to pop out and not be and blending in with the charts, because I did not notice it. I mean, I don't know what color I should make it.
Gold is such a bastard instrument. I'm about to just take it off my. They're about to get removed and banished again to the shadow realm.
Well, what?
Yeah, baby, let's go. Keep pumping. Come on, NQ. Don't stop till you get enough. I should have been in at 570 though.
I mean, yeah.
Nah. I'm missing out on like 26 extra points. You know that matters.
Baby,
my
come
100
back.
pointer. I think I should close, but then I want to hold it to see if this like. Man, we can make an even attempt. No.
Damn.
Man. Do I hold this or do I let it go?
Well, the ES made a lower low, so it might go back up and try to run liquidity and dump back down. The ES made the reversal pattern, but it could continue to go back up. It's Friday, so technicals don't really work on Fridays, and this is a news push as well, so this thing could keep going. But
you said ES pushed all-time high.
no, no, I didn't say that. Hold on, what did I say?
Thought I heard you say it earlier on the stream.
No. Oh, no. I think what I said was, actually, I don't remember. But what I may have said was this candle right here, and that we're trading right back in this daily candle that made all-time highs. That's probably what I said. But I think it'll be highly unlikely for it to take out all-time highs today. If it didn't do it during NFP, I don't see the ES running and taking out all-time highs. Maybe next week, but probably not today.
Yeah. Well, if she can give me, I was gonna shoot for like 770, but she can give me. Shoot, she can give me 800. I'll take that. 808, no heartbreak.
Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones.
Come on, guys. Oh, wow.
Yeah, just be careful though. Like I said, ES kind of made a reversal pattern. So I do have that in mind, but it's Friday, so I mean, and all the time frames are bullish. So I mean,
R4.
Or where are you targeting though on the Nasdaq?
Like I was saying, if I can get 770, I'll take that, but I'll consider getting out depending on how fast it makes its move up there if we can get back up there. But I'd like at least, oh man, I like 800.
Oh, you should be good. We should see the move higher here. Yeah, okay, actually, you know what? You should be good. I would just try. Well, it took the liquidity under pre-market low. It took that liquidity under pre-market low, so we should be good for a move higher here. But we have to pay attention because we have the initial balance in 6 minutes. I'm sorry, 6 minutes. That initial balance is absolute on the Nasdaq. Don't ever trade against it. Your feelings will be hurt if you do.
My feelings are always hurt trading the Nasdaq most of the time.
The letter of the day is here. It's near. The letter of the day is here. It's here. The letter of the day is here.
The market trying to run away from its responsibility to hit my TP. It has an obligation to hit my TP.
That's right. That's absolutely right. You know, vindicate our boy Smith. Yeah, I think you should be good, bro. You should get your target. We broke the trend line. It's looking like they're holding. The Santiago candle looks like that's holding. Yeah, you should be good, bro.
Well, ES about to approach its double top. Nasdaq lagging behind.
Yeah, this is the downside about setting limits. And because the ES can just completely miss it. That would have been a nice pre-market sweep. I'm actually going to leave this here all day because if the market does come back down. So Santiago, I did miss it on the Nasdaq, but as you can see, I was preparing to take it on the ES. It swept the lows on the Nasdaq, but for whatever reason, it didn't sweep the lows on the ES. And you know what? That deviation sometimes kind of pisses me off because that could have been a really good trade right there, but the ES decided to do this BS right here. It's near. The letter of the day is here. It's near. The letter of the day is here. I'm not going to take the short though, Santiago. I'm not shorting against this bullishness. It may work though. I'm not saying it's not. I'm not going to short against it.
770 got touched. I'm still holding.
I know.
I should just take this. I mean, it's pretty. It's a good, yeah. And then I get out and it just keeps pumping. ES is approaching double top pre-market high. Nasdaq is nowhere near doing the same thing. Oh shoot. Okay, ES. You gonna break it? Gonna break and keep going?
Looks like
ES,
ES is going to probably take that high.
I've been unfamiliar with her game.
You talk about the ES?
This is a brand new type of ES. I'm not used to this.
Yeah. ES is the truth.
What happened to 4 points a day? In a 4-point range all day.
But we don't do that here. We don't do that here. It's technically, it didn't break out of that trend until like right there. I mean, worst come to shove. Worst case come to shove. So if the ES pushes all the way to 803, I'll take the short. I'll take the short at 803. It could probably get to 803 though.
820. Okay.
All right. Yeah, he should be good, bro. Or okay, never mind. I wonder if it's gonna try to break out, pull back to let's see. Let's get in this thing with the Nasdaq with probably like 2 or 3 contracts. See. Oh.
I closed. I don't care.
It's probably a good decision.
Profits. Taking the profits. Let me see if I can maybe find a good spot to re-enter. Man, 570 would have been dang near perfect. My goodness. But they wouldn't let me be great. I think I'm gonna do what Rut Kit suggested. Every time I start the account and flip it, like run it up, and I'm gonna just withdraw the profits and start at base again. Just keep doing that on repeat.
I think that's probably the best option for you, bro. Oh yeah, we was talking about you last night. Yeah, by the time you sent me that message, we was going to the end of the stream, but yeah, it was saying that, man, for whatever reason, you just got a blocker where every time you get past a certain point, you just say, fuck it, I'm gonna use my profits that I earned as extra drawdown, and it just all goes away.
Yeah, but that wasn't even the case this time around. Like, I mean, I explained it to you. It was just bad management on part.
Yeah.
Like, there was no real tilt or anything. It was just all bad management that wiped me out, and I'm just like, dang.
Yeah, it is a double-edged sword. The more money you can make, the more money you can lose. There's only one way to win. So you're always trading with the odds against you because there's only one way to win. There's so many ways to lose. Hold on, give me 1 second. Yeah, that's crazy. So if I took that pre-market sweep, my target would be at 770, and it looks like the ES will probably get there. It's just that, you know what? Just don't like trading against the trend anymore. But this time it looks like it probably would have worked. So we got the sweep. So we got the sweep of the pre-market high. I wonder if the market will do the same. Because I mean, the irony of if I took the pre-market high, the irony is if I want to get my limit order filled. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I would have got a target filled here. Interesting. So my target would be at 69. My target would be right here at 69. I'm pretty sure we'll get it. Yeah, target filled. Okay. Target filled. Target filled. How much is going to be, Santiago? $10,000?
$10,000. Got a course to sell you.
Well, good thing you took your profits. Good thing you took your profits, bro.
Great thing.
All right. 760. Okay, I got stopped out of that Nasdaq. Hold on. God damn it.
Just a little bit more. Man, what's it gonna take for NQ to get back to all-time high?
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
What's up, bro?
What up? NQ probably won't be hitting all-time highs for a while unless CPI turns things around.
CPI.
That's next Wednesday.
Good old inflation.
Mm. Yeah, it swept the highs. Mm.
SpaceX is up 10% right now. And she's the same. What you gonna do? Three.
Man, I don't know. Obviously the play was to take the sweep of pre-market. But it's always such a gamble. Always such a gamble. Well, I mean, I really don't know what I could have done there. You know? What I could have done. Yeah, I don't know. Because I mean, it can all make sense. It all makes sense. Yeah, you see how that shit just would have worked. Yeah, would have worked. Okay, well. Dude, overthinking. All right, I got my limit order set. So I don't think it goes higher. It probably goes lower. Hopefully, we can get a order filled and a push. Hopefully. Oh, Smith, you got your stream up?
No, I don't.
All right. Well, I mean, I don't see it bouncing. I don't see it bouncing. But the 50% of the initial balance, you got the 200 EMA, got VWAP right there at 57. Hmm.
What's up, Sherm?
Hey, what's up, Alfred?
If it breaks this area where VWAP is, it's gonna go back down. So if you have a stop, it's probably gonna get a run.
Oh, I'm not in nothing right now. I'm not in nothing. I already got stopped out of that other. I got stopped out. 43.25. I mean, I don't even know that. Right.
I'll be back.
Rest in peace to your trade.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm not in. I'm not in nothing.
I know. I said rest in peace because you said you got stopped out.
Oh, okay. It's like, oh. Yeah, I'm not in nothing. Okay. Well, okay. And that's the range. That's the range for today. Probably should just pay attention to that. You got VWAP at 57. All right, so if price pulls back to VWAP on the ES, I'll take the VWAP trade if it pulls back to VWAP. Because it looks like it doesn't want to go down.
Hey, Sherman, if you check your DM, I just sent you a screenshot of one I'm looking at right now. NQ is within a value area range, and it's like dancing like between where the red line is a point of control. It keeps tapping it, and is indecisive right now whether the buyer is going to take over or whether the seller is going to take over.
And this is the screenshot that Alfred shared. So you're just talking about price rotating back and forth in between this range.
Yeah, that's the value area right there that I'm seeing on the volume profile, and that red line is the point of control.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you did say that you used the VWAP And you like the standard deviation. Oh no, is that standard deviation 1 or 2 right there?
That is the yellow one is 1, and the red one that's up there is 2.
Oh, okay. So that's 2. So use the, oh yeah, you did tell us that you use the VWAP wave strategy. Yeah, well, yeah, the VWAP wave strategy. Yeah, I think it fits your style perfectly. You can kind of scalp, get in and get out.
Yeah, I play a lot of mean reversions using the standard deviations.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have a chart because there was at one point in time that I was going to use this strategy myself. The video came up and I think I dedicated a weekend to try to learn and understand. Excuse me, and understand it, but it's just not my style. But obviously you've shown that you can be very profitable with it. I just hate it on the Nasdaq. And it's like I said, it's a part of my personality. I kind of want certainty. I want something that I don't have to really think about, something that I can repeat. But sometimes, like right here, sometimes it'll run through VWAP, but then sometimes it'll come back and bounce right off of it. And that requires to be patient. And I guess I just had to get over FOMO and stuff like that, because I mean, I guess if I get over the FOMO, then yeah, you can do a lot of damage with this strategy.
The problem with the VWAP bands is that sometimes the standard deviations don't hold. Like I'll try and play a mean reversion, and then it'll just keep going in the same direction. And then it'll come down to VWAP, and then it'll stop right before it and reverse, or it'll go underneath VWAP where it's like, okay, I'm going to buy it for the way back up. And then it, like you just saw, it breaks below. So nothing's 100%.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Well, yeah, I hate when the market gets like this.
It's Friday. The market ain't got nothing to do. We just gonna get high in this one spot.
The Nasdaq would get fired for not blowing people's accounts. Well, what would the Nasdaq still in boxes, zone boxes, support boxes?
He's still in fair value gap boxes on his day off.
How'd you get fired on your day off?
ICT called in. He said, I stole his boxes.
That is kind of crazy to get fired for stealing boxes. That is kind of crazy. Oh shit, I've been looking at this ES. I haven't been looking at my baby. Silver, what you doing?
If you're not actively looking at silver as a side chick, see, I told you.
Well, I'm trying to get this move on ES. Like I said, Tradify doesn't have silver. Micro silver. I definitely would trade silver. I made so much money with silver this week. What Tuesday? So I mean, so far, I made the 2,200, and then I made the 1,800, and then I made the $800 today. So that was about like 5K almost in about 3 days. Cause what I started trading it like Thursday, Friday, or Wednesday night. I've just been making money on silver ever since. I just gotta be patient with silver, because if I try to take these cute trades on silver, silver showed me yesterday that if you take the cute trades, because it's so low liquidity, it has to consolidate and generate liquidity so I can move. And yeah, I learned the hard way. That shit, it don't work. Being cute with it, so I have to trade the edges on silver. Hopefully it stays like this and it doesn't go back to doing that BS it was doing. All right.
Yeah, NQ's still chopping like right around where the point of control is, because the point of control is like right under 29,710. So every time it goes above it, it like there's it's playing limbo pretty much.
Okay. All right. Oh, so it looks like there's a big trade at okay. Like I said, that is why I like this platform. Because I was looking at a potential entry at 57 around VWAP, and there was a big trade. There was 900 orders at 57.50. So I'm pretty sure if the market comes back to 57.50, it'll react. But if it takes out that high, then it kind of invalidates this trade. I need it to kind of pull back into 57. That's what I'm looking for, is to pull back. I don't need to take out no highs or anything. And this chop is getting kind of boring, or it's not stimulating at all. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, if it takes out this high, that invalidates what I don't know what is it. Mm. 97, huh? 97. Okay. All right.
All right, Sherm, I got to get back to work, so I'm jumping out the chat. Uh, talk to you sometime soon, man. All right, take it easy.
All right, man. Have a good day. I'm looking at Bookmap right now. This is when the market. This is when it starts to suck, when there's nothing to do. It's not going anywhere. You know, I hate the fact that, you know, I didn't take that short, the sweep of that high. That would have been a really good trade. That would have been a really good trade. Okay. Okay. Man. You know, honestly, I wonder what the heck. I wonder why the ES didn't sweep. Man, that would have been a great trade this morning. I wonder why the ES didn't sweep the pre-market low, but the Nasdaq did. What the hell is up with that? What the hell is up with that? And yeah, it looks like we're gonna probably see the market break out here. So if it makes a measured move here, where's that low? I mean, I don't think so. But if it does make a measured move, you can probably see a move all the way to SD1. I mean, I think that's probably why you just have to do it that way, because it's disappointing. It'll be disappointing if that would be disappointing. Okay. So the reason why we got that bounce is because it held the orb high on the ES. That's why we didn't get a deeper pullback. It held the orb high. Okay. Starting right now. Man, you know, this way of thinking is very effective in my day-to-day work, where you have to solve complicated problems. But when I overanalyze and overthink and overtune my strategy, it always seems that if I just kept it simple, I would have achieved my goal today. And it just always seems like it's always something. It's always something. Instead of just doing what I'm supposed to do, it's that fear of loss because I don't want to lose. I'm over tuning the strategy instead of just playing the numbers game. The numbers are in my favor, but the human side, I don't want to see the loss, so I overtune, and it's becoming very restrictive. I didn't look at the orb today. I was looking at something completely different today, and because of that, I was sitting here wondering why the market bounced in the area where it did, and then something was like, look at the orb, and wow, okay, it bounced at the orb high. Now it makes sense. And the crazy thing is that I don't know if I did that purposely again today, because I'm usually looking at the opening range and looking for the breakout or the trade back within the range. And for whatever reason, today I just decided not to look at it and look at the range between the news high and the news low. I didn't look at the orb. I was looking at the high and low of the data. And of course, the orb worked today. So it's like, man, I don't know, man. I don't know. You too, Santiago. Have a good weekend. Everybody was making money except your boy. Well, I made some money today in my other accounts. It's just that I would have preferred to have made money in this account today too. But I did make money trading silver today. Just I didn't get anything in the ES or the Nasdaq. I did take that losing trade in the Nasdaq. Okay. Well, there is now no reason for the market, because if we lose this move, trading the middle could be dangerous. We got a double top, and if it comes crashing down, they were rejecting at the value area high. Well, shit. Well, hold on. Hey, Smith, you still there? Why'd you get quiet? You're not trapped in a trade, are you? I wonder if Smith is still there. Well, shit. Good thing that good thing Smith took his profits at 770 like he originally wanted to. Because if he did shoot for 800 like he was planning on doing, it pulled all the way back, and now it's making its way right back to the upside. Okay. Man, I'm just so disappointed in today. This is the harsh reality about setting limits versus actively trading. This account is a a limit account. So because if I lose one trade, then it logs out the account. Or if I lose the I think it's $450 in this account, then it locks the account out. So it just sucks that the ES just didn't sweep that low like I expected it to, and it just randomly just bounced right there. Sucks. This is like the hard part of this strategy. But I think 97 could potentially be another area, but I just don't know. I'm not confident in it. I hate when the ES makes big moves like this. Just not confident in the move. But we could see. We could see that. 803. $800. Oh boy. All right. Because I'm in my one trade a day account, so with these accounts I gotta trade the extreme, so I don't have an active account yet. And it really didn't even it didn't Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Shit, I already blew my active, and I'll just get more next week. I'm not gonna get any more towards the end of the week. So yeah, so I mean it just missed me. It just missed me, and there wasn't really an opportunity to get in safely. We had this big strong move, and I wasn't, the only entry was the retest of the orb high, and I wasn't looking to get in at the orb high. It worked today. The orb break worked today. I could have took the sweep of the pre-market high, but I okay. All right, that's gonna be it for me this week. I'm gonna leave my limits on the chart. Like I said, usually, if we don't, what usually happens is that something sets up again after lunch. So I'll just have to reassess the charts, reevaluate, and yeah, I'm just gonna have to reassess what happened today, I guess. So, but I do appreciate everybody that joined me this week. I will definitely come back on Sunday night, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on chopping.